Hey everybody, what's going on? Welcome to Gibson's Garage and Speed Shop YouTube channel. And today I am really excited to announce a collaboration with Hooke Road. So Hooke Road just came out with a new line of products for the Chevy OBS body style. And this one, like I said, makes me really excited because they actually hit me up before and they didn't have anything for my truck. And I'm like, guys, what's that about? So a couple months later, they said, don't worry, we got you. Check it out. Not only do they have what's in the box here, which are side steps, they've got front and rear bumpers for both the Suburban and the pickup trucks, which I'm not sure how that's different, but they said they don't interchange. If you want to, I think they would, but if you want to take that chance, that's up to you. I told them I'd be willing to take that chance also if they wanted to send me a rear bumper, because they had one for the pickup truck, but they weren't advertising it for the Suburban. And I'm like, guys, I'm pretty sure it'll work. You know, we can prove this together, but let's start with the step sides first, see what happens. So let's get into it and check this out. This is just going to be an unboxing video for now. I want you guys to please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and there will be a full-length install video on these as well. So please like, subscribe, hit the bell, and all that good stuff. Oh, that hurts the cracked rib. It sure does. As you can tell, this box is pretty beat up. Shipping. We'll see how well they packaged it. So it looks like it's already fallen out the side over there. They do have their own custom box at least. Got all that spray foam in there, expanding spray foam. You'll be looking at these ends here because these were falling out. Let's see. Don't look too damaged. Got their own custom bags. Side steps. Let's take a picture here. These are what I got. There's the part number there in the corner. Yeah, cardboard separating it. All right. Well, it seems packaged well enough. Maybe we'll keep them how they had it. Maybe that makes a difference. Oh, another box over here. Sounds like bolts. set all these down here. They put foam in the bolt box. Okay. Shiny. Alright, let's see. They look pretty good. Very thick hammer plate texture. Or a hammer, what do they got? Hammer paint texture. Now, these were free, I'll be honest, right? But I also told them that I'd be 100% honest on my review. First thing I see and I don't like are these steps. They're just hanging. Like, you put some weight on these, you get a big boy on there like me, these might start to bend down. Seems like maybe they could have just put some bracing right there. They're not terribly heavy. They are capped. Okay. The ends are plugged off. These welds are not beautiful. Like, they're not that good looking of welds. some booger welds for sure. They could be better. A little rattly sounding. Which is this piece. This piece is rattling. What is it even rattling against? Interesting. This one's not as bad, but yeah, these are rattling against the bar here. That may or may not be a big deal for you guys. I'm gonna bring in here now. These pieces here are numbered 1, 2, and backwards 3. Maybe they're supposed to go this way. I don't know. We'll look at the directions and find out. That's going to be on the main video, though. We're not going to get into the directions now. Right now is just an unboxing and first thought on it. What's your thoughts, Cody? What do you think? Oh, he wants this ball. He don't care about my steps. Now, I don't know anything about their R&D. Maybe that's what I'm here for. But these notches do say a little something about their manufacturing process. It means they are probably computer plasma cut or computer laser cut. So these are going to be the same every time. Kind of like pre-made puzzle pieces that clip together in a jig and then they speed weld it. Now some of these welds don't look terrible. It's kind of hard to tell through the hammer paint. But then there's some of them that just don't look great. Like these guys are pretty shallow right there. I mean, which means they burned in good, right, is what I'm saying there. Those look like good welds. Not a lot of, you got these lips and stuff here, so who knows? It's like not even welded all the way around on this side, maybe. Not 100% sure, but the coating seems nice and thick. Should be durable, should be long-last coating. I mean, they did survive the shipping process, so that's good. Don't see any chips taken out of them right away. There's some slag. Maybe not the best quality control. But then again, the prices, these are the cheapest ones you're probably gonna find anywhere on the internet. All right, so what's your guys' first thoughts on just the unboxing here? Again, stay tuned for my YouTube channel, and there'll be some shorts as well on the TikTok and Facebook and Instagram. But the main install full-length video is gonna be on YouTube, and it'll be the same logo that I have, the same name, Gibson Garage Speed Shop. So don't listen or watch those thieves stealing my content. Don't watch them. Thanks, guys.